Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm making this video after a long time, and today in this video I'm going to show you my new family member. So wait for the surprise. Nihan, 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 come Baba. Good girl, good girl. So she is my new family member. She is my Persian cat. Her name is Nihan. Hi Nihan. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Nihan you. Say hi you. She's smelling good today because I just took her bath. I gave her a bath today. And yeah, I am loving the experience of having a pet after a long time, and it's a bit of a challenge to maintain and to keep. If you don't have patience, then it will become a bit difficult to raise them because sometimes they get sick, so you have to go to the veterinary and do the checkup, you have to do the injection, and you have to give medicines, deworming, and everything has to be done. So we have given the first vaccination for rabies last time, and the vaccination has to be repeated every month for 3 months, and deworming has also been given a few days ago. So I have to repeat it again after 1 month for 3 months. And I'm also giving her multivitamins and other calcium for her bones. And see how cute she is. She is really cute. Initially when she was with me, she was missing her mom and she was crying, but now she's okay. She loves me, I love her, and this is our special bond. So let me show you where they poop and pee. So this is the place where they poop and pee. You need to buy the scent every 15 days to 1 month depending on the cat's age. So if the cat is big, they will obviously poop more and pee more, so the scent will get contaminated fast, so you have to change it. And see, she has peed here, so it will form a bubble like this, and I have to throw this. And this is where she eats. This is water for her. I gave her food just some time ago and she finished it, and the plate was a bit dirty, so I washed the plate and I have not given her food. So Nihan, come down. Anya, good girl. And she loves to go with me. If I go outside, she will come with me. And the maintenance cost varies. Like initially when she is young, now I'm at least paying around 2,500 to 3,500 for litter, food, vitamins, veterinary visits and all. Nihan, come, Nihan, Nihan, come, good girl, come, Nihan, come. Nihan, Nihan, Nihan. Come, Nihan, I'm going. Nihan, bye, Nihan. So this is the place where I stay. We have a big veranda here. It's on the rooftop. That's 1 BHK, and there is also a place to sit and relax up there. So let me show you the view. This is the view of Vanashankari 6th stage. We can see mountains there. Nihan, come, come. Nihan, Nihan, come, 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 come. Good girl, come, come. Good girl, come, come, come. Yes. And then she has this cute mark on her head. Nihan, you. This is not food. No, no, no. No, no, no. Come here. Come here. Good, good. Nihan, see? And we'll sometimes love to stay here and enjoy the view. She also loves to enjoy the view. Nihan, Nihan, come, come. Come here. Nihan, Baba, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nihan, come here. Good girl. This is like my good girl. And they love treats a lot. So I had bought treat last time and it finished today, so I again have to either order it or go to the veterinary and then buy it, or I can also buy it from nearby pet store. Nihan, no, not down. Come, 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 come. And then they are playful, they love to play, so you have to give their attention. And if you are someone who goes to work throughout the day and if they are alone, they may not like it. So most of the time they will be sleeping, so I do work, but my workplace is just below this terrace. So it's on the 4th floor, so my house is on the 5th floor. So for me it's easy to come every hour and then check on her, and then if the food is not there, to feed her, if she has poop, to remove it and then clean it, and I can give her attention. But if you are someone who is going to a job to somewhere far away, like where you cannot come back to your home like in 2 to 3 hours, someone who goes to office in the morning at 9 and then who returns home by 5 p.m, then I would not suggest you to keep it, because they will also feel lonely, right Nihan? You will feel lonely, right? And she had some eye infection before, and it took a while for that to get completely healed. I had to put eye drop every 3 to 4 hours, and now she is completely fine. Otherwise she was having lots of tears and I had to clean it with lukewarm water, and but she is fine now. She is doing okay. Nihan, good girl. Let's go have some food, Nihan. Nihan. Come, Nihan. We'll give her some food. She must be hungry. Nihan, come, come, come. Nihan. Nihan. Enjoy your food. Bon appetit. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Until then, take care and don't forget to like this video, comment and share your experience if you previously had pets, or if you are someone who loves pets.